Are you looking for a high-protein snack or a quick dinner that even the pickiest eaters will love? These air fryer chicken bites are savory, moist, and so much better than the frozen bag stuff. Now let's get going. We're going to keep it simple. In a gallon Ziploc bag, mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and a full teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix that together first, and then you want to toss in a pound of diced chicken breast. Now you can use the pre-made diced chicken breast like I'm using, or you could dice your own by cutting them into 1 to 1.5 inch cubes. And chicken breast, chicken thighs, and turkey breast would all work well in this recipe. Once that's in the bag, you want to give it a good shake. I like to mush it together with my hand just to make sure that everything is coated and has some of the flavoring on it. Now for your air fryer. You want to preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 5 minutes, just to get it nice and hot. So when you put it in, it's ready to go. Once it's ready, I like to coat the basket lightly with avocado oil. You don't have to do this if you have a good non-stick coating on yours. I just do this to make the cleanup easier. Then you want to lay your chicken out in a single layer. You want to make sure that you're not overcrowding them. You're going to cook this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes total. But at the halfway point, at 5 minutes, you want to pull it out and turn them all over. After the chicken is cooked for 10 minutes, since you're cooking raw meat, you want safety to be your first priority. Check the internal temperature and make sure that it's reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using a quick thermometer here. I'll put a link in the show notes for the one that I use at home all the time. If you don't have one, I recommend investing $10 to $15 for a good one, just to make sure that your food is safe. You'll notice in the video that my chicken is more than warm enough after the 10 minutes, but I do like mine to be a little more golden brown than this, so I put them back in for 3 more minutes. They're already cooked, they're already safe, but I like for them to have some more color to them. If you want to do the same, just put them in for a few more minutes. Once they're done, you've got savory, juicy chicken bites that are ready to serve. And from what I've seen, kids love these. They're easy to eat, and they beat hands down buying the frozen pre-made chicken bites. I hope you enjoy these. If you want to see some more air fryer videos, check out this link to my air fryer cooking series, and I'll see you over there.